Hello to everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So, good news about the chickens. They are finally producing eggs. Well, they were producing eggs, but not too much. Now, happy about this. Very good. Thank you. Also, good news about my old cat from Spain. I have it back. Shh, where you go? So really happy about this. Yesterday I was doing the concrete and then I realized she came here, but that's quite nice. So this week I will be alone here. Joanna is not here. Maybe my mom will come to help for one day or something, but I will be with my cat, with my chickens, as always, working in the house. I'm gonna show you where we are. So We have been concreting everywhere there until here, and I need still to concrete this part here. And then we have the future bathroom that I'm gonna maybe do it or maybe not, I'm not sure yet. For the moment, I mean. So, objective of the week, concrete this one. And then we can maybe render this wall because it's very ugly with the bricks like this. And the inside, I want to start working on the inside of this one. So yeah, let's start the day. In case you don't remember, under this concrete is the pipe that will go to the future kitchen. And well, a few days ago I was making this hole with my hammer drill, and then I just broke the hammer drill and I kind of electrocuted my hands. I keep trying it, but I keep electrocuting and was not really nice. So I tell about this to my favorite tool brand, tool website, that is Bebor, of course. And they say me, Diego, don't worry, we're gonna send you one of our newest products that is just a hammer drill and you can try it in your videos. So I'm gonna do that today. Well, as you can see here, in the past there was a oven, but unlikely it's not there anymore. Some bricks there, it's closed. So, because I don't like this door here, it's very rusted and it's in really bad conditions. So with this hammer drill, I'm gonna break everything here and see if it's strong enough to take it out. And then we're gonna use it for other things, of course. This is a tool that I use almost every day for everything in the house, so thank you so much, Bebor, for sending me this. As always, if you are interested in this product, link in description. So we tried the hammer and really good. We managed to take out, and now we can see the old oven in there. Well, we can see a little bit. You see, it's a shame that it's collapsed. I know that a lot of you will think that it's a shame that I don't restore this oven, this old oven, very old, probably 150 years old. I'm not sure, but this looks very old. I'm not gonna do that because will be a bedroom, and I don't think this is the best place to put the oven. And also it's in really bad conditions. I just need to do it again. So I'm gonna build the oven outside, probably in the barn in the future. Don't worry about this, I'm gonna do this in the future, okay? We tried the hammer, really good, and now we're gonna try the drill. Well, I tried, but I didn't manage to take it out. It's full of concrete. We will see in the shop what I can find. Good morning to everyone. Super happy with the results of yesterday. Really like it. Really looks like old wall, like a very old wall, and actually it's not. I am very happy with the results. Well, still drying it, but I love it. What do you guys think? I will read all the comments. Please let me know what you think about the job, and thank you so much to my mom for helping. Really appreciate. Objective of today: finish the concrete here finally. So we're gonna concrete here. I put one plank in there, and we leave that bathroom for the future because I am so tired of concreting. And then in the afternoon I can start taking out all the types and clearing everything, and maybe put the windows, and yeah. Well guys, I'm gonna leave the video here. I can't wait to show this to Joanna. She's coming back in 2 days. So yeah, I will see you next Sunday.